Namaste. How are you? This time we are going to discuss about CNC tube laser cutting machine. When I am visiting sheet metal fabricators across India, many of the entrepreneurs have shown interest to know more about tube laser cutting machine, about its flexibility, reliability, versatility, etc. etc. This time when I have visited China and HG Tech, I also could witness the CNC tube laser cutting machine manufacturing. It was incredible to see 3 and 4 chucks tube lasers are being manufactured and bigger diameters, heavy load carrying capacity, etc. etc. Now, I wanted to show you one of the biggest tube laser cutting machine is being manufactured in the factory of HG Tech. Look at here. This is with the bevel cutting attachment. And the chuck is 380 mm, 12 meter long, input with auto loading and 12 meter long output with the auto unloading. Massive structure. You can see here some of the bevel cutting sample has already been made. In India, we could help lots of sheet metal fabricators to install tube laser cutting machine. Many of them are from job workers, interior designers, decorative kind of items, kitchen equipments, machinery manufacturers, agricultural machinery manufacturers, etc. etc. Friends, another landmark great manufacturing. We can see here 406 mm is the OD of the chuck. The output is 6 meter, input is 12 meters. The machine is under manufacturing. What is important to inform is the load capacity of this machine is 2.7 ton, 2700 kilograms. Massive, isn't it? Now, friends, I would like to show you one of a very wonderful machineries which any other fabricator would be loved to see that. This is the 3 chuck machine which is ready for dispatch. You can see here. This is 9 meter input and 3.2 meter output. You can see here, this is the rear chuck and this is the middle chuck and this is the third chuck. Beautiful state of art. Would you like to know more about tube laser cutting machine? How it is going to be beneficial for you? How it will be suitable for you in your own shop floor? Please connect me through the WhatsApp mentioned here as well email ID. Please do subscribe, like and share to your friends and in business circle. Thank you very much. See you in next video.